Still using too many AI apps? Here's how to replace multiple AI tools with a Manus AI agent in one workflow. Start by opening Manus AI and logging into your account. Create a new workspace or AI agent where you can manage all your tasks in one place. Instead of switching between separate apps for writing, coding, research, planning, or automation, Manus AI lets you combine these workflows into a single system. Next, go to the Plugins or Tools section and enable the features you need. For example, activate writing tools for content generation, browser tools for research, coding tools for development tasks, and automation tools for multi-step workflows. This allows Manus AI to perform tasks that would normally require several different platforms. After setting up your tools, enter a detailed prompt describing your full workflow. You can ask Manus AI to research a topic, summarize information, generate code, create content, and organize a project plan all at once. Manus will process the request using the enabled tools and generate a structured output in one workspace. Now you know how to replace multiple AI tools with Manus AI and simplify your workflow in one platform. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.